Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our woodworking channel. Today, we've got something special for all you beginners out there. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your woodworking skills, we've got 10 essential tips to help you on your journey. So let's dive right in. Tip 1. Invest in quality tools. First things first, invest in good quality tools. You don't need a massive collection, but make sure you have the basics like a saw, chisel set, measuring tape, and a square. Good tools make woodworking more enjoyable and produce better results. Tip 2. Safety first. Safety should be your top priority. Always wear safety glasses, ear protection, and a dust mask. Keep your workspace clean, and be familiar with the safety guidelines for each tool you use. Tip 3. Understand your wood. Know your wood. Different types of wood have unique characteristics and uses. Research and choose the right wood for your projects based on its strength, appearance, and workability. Tip 4. Measure twice, cut once. Measure twice, cut once. It's an old saying, but absolutely true. Double-check your measurements before making any cuts to avoid costly mistakes. Tip 5. Keep your tools sharp. Sharp tools are essential for clean and precise cuts. Regularly sharpen your cutting tools like chisels and saw blades for better results. Tip 6. Practice joinery techniques. Joinery is the foundation of woodworking. Practice different techniques like mortise and tenon, dovetails, and box joints to create strong and beautiful connections. Tip 7. Don't skip sanding. Sanding is a crucial step in any woodworking project. It creates a smooth surface for finishing and ensures a professional look. Tip 8. Learn from mistakes. Embrace your mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Analyze what went wrong and use that knowledge to improve your skills. Tip 9. Use wood glue wisely. When gluing, less is more. Invest in high-quality wood glue and apply it evenly for the best bonding results. Tip 10. Apply a finishing touch. Finally, protect your hard work with a finish. Whether it's varnish, lacquer, or oil, a good finish enhances the wood's appearance and durability. And there you have it, 10 essential woodworking tips for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get started and enjoy the journey. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking content. Until next time, happy woodworking!